Hey there! In this video, we'll show you how to send WhatsForm responses to your team members. Managing a high volume of responses on a single number can be challenging, but with WhatsForm's team routing feature, you can easily distribute inquiries across your team. Let's explore the different routing options available in WhatsForm. First, open your WhatsForm dashboard and select the form you'd like to work on. Click on Settings, then click on Team. The first routing option in WhatsForm is Single Team Routing, which is the default setting. With this option, all WhatsForm responses are sent to a single WhatsApp number, making it straightforward and simple to manage. Now let's look at Distribute Team Routing, which helps you distribute responses evenly among your team members. Here, you can add the WhatsApp phone numbers of multiple team members by clicking on Add Number, then entering the phone numbers of your team members one by one. Now, how does Distribute Team Routing work? Well, it's pretty simple. Here's how it looks. Let's say Response 1 goes to Agent 1. Then Response 2 goes to Agent 2. Response 3 moves to Agent 3. And when a new response comes in, Response 4, it circles back to Agent 1. So it keeps rotating, making sure each agent gets their fair share of responses. This ensures that responses are evenly distributed among agents, making it the simplest way to manage inquiries in WhatsForm. Now, what if you have different teams assigned to handle specific types of queries? That's where you can use conditional team routing. This option allows you to forward responses based on specific conditions. For example, let's say we have a multiple choice question on our form asking, what product category do you need help with? The options are skincare, makeup, and hair care. Here's what we'll do. Click on Add Condition. Select the question. In this case, our product category question. Then choose an answer. Let's start with skincare. Now we'll enter the phone number of the agent who handles all skincare inquiries. We'll repeat this for each answer. Makeup will forward to the makeup agent. And hair care will forward to the hair care agent. This is how we've set it up for each answer. Finally, if there's no match, the response automatically gets sent to the fallback team member, listed here, so no inquiry gets missed. This is perfect for large teams where different team members specialize in handling specific types of inquiries. One last thing to mention, no matter which routing option you choose, there's no limit to the number of agents you can include, so you can scale your team as much as you need. And that's it. You now know how to set up single, distribute, and conditional team routing on WhatsForm. If you have any questions, please visit whatsform.help.center.